In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find the Vimeo video HTML embed code. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's get started. Embedding videos from Vimeo into your website can enhance your content significantly, making it more engaging for your audience. So if you have a specific video in mind that you want to showcase on your site, follow along as I walk you through the process. First, you'll want to open Vimeo in your web browser. Make sure you're signed into your account. If you don't have one, it's pretty straightforward to create. Once you're signed in, you'll find yourself at the home screen of Vimeo, but what you're looking for is your library. This holds all the videos you've uploaded or have access to. So navigate over to your library. There you should see a list of your videos. Scroll through this list until you find the specific video you want to embed on your site. If you're having trouble locating it, you can use the search bar to type in the title of your video. It's a handy little tool. Now that you've found your video, click on it to open it up for viewing. Once the video page loads, you'll notice a few options in the top right corner. Look for the Share button. That's your next stop. Click on that button and a new window will pop up, displaying various sharing options. In this Share window, you will see different ways to share your video through social media, links, and more, but we're focusing on embedding. Therefore, go ahead and click on the Embed option. When you click on this, you'll be presented with a snippet of HTML code. This is what you need for embedding your video into your website. Take a moment to review the embed options that are available to you. Vimeo provides some flexibility here. You can select between a responsive embed or a fixed size. Choosing responsive is typically the best choice, as it allows the video to adjust to different screen sizes automatically. If you'd rather have a specific size, you can easily enter the dimensions for a fixed embed. Just make sure you're considering your website's design so that the video fits well within your layout. Once you're satisfied with your embed options, the next step is simple. Click on the button that says Copy Embed Code. This action copies the HTML code to your clipboard, making it ready for you to use wherever you need it. Now, head over to your website's HTML or code editor. If your website uses WordPress or any other content management system, you'll typically have a way to add custom HTML code directly into your pages or posts. Look for an option to add a block or an HTML section and simply paste the embed code you just copied. And just like that, your video is now set to be displayed on your site. Remember to preview your changes before publishing to make sure everything looks as you'd expect. Depending on your website's formatting, you might want to do a little tweaking here and there to get the appearance just right. So there you have it. You've successfully found the Vimeo video embed code and embedded your video onto your website. This process can greatly enhance how you share and display content, engaging viewers effectively. If you have any questions or need further clarification on any step, feel free to drop a comment below. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this and give it a like. Thanks for watching, and happy